my name is Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I'm making chicken cheese bites. It's a great starter or evening snack. Kids will love the melted gooey cheese inside it. This recipe is very easy to make, so come on, let's get started. For chicken cheese bites, we need 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt according to taste, 250 grams of minced chicken, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, half cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half cup of cheese. I have used shredded mozzarella, but you can use any other cheese or cheese cubes. We also need 1/4 medium-sized onion, 2 green chillies, 4 small pieces of garlic and half inch of ginger. Chop the onions and green chilies and grate the ginger and garlic. The ginger and garlic should be sufficient to make 1 teaspoon. You can add more green chilies if you want the bites to be spicy. Add the minced chicken to a blender, then tear the bread and add to the chicken. Add grated garlic, grated ginger, green chilies, black pepper powder, salt. Make sure to add less salt because the breadcrumbs and soy sauce already have salt. Add soy sauce. Add oil. The oil will help the chicken remain moist after deep frying. You can also use ghee or butter. Add the mustard sauce and the chopped onions. Then coarsely blend all these ingredients. Take a portion of the chicken and bread blend and flatten it across your palm. Place the cheese in the middle and wrap it into a bite-sized ball. First roll the ball in maida, then dip in egg, and then roll it in breadcrumbs. Deep fry the chicken cheese bites on medium heat. If the oil is too hot, then the chicken might not cook from inside. Turn them over after 2 to 3 minutes or when the side is golden brown. Don't worry if the cheese starts to ooze from the sides. Now our chicken cheese bites are ready. Voila! Yum! These look so delicious and they taste crunchy and gooey. Serve them hot with the dipping sauce and your kids will really love them. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with a new recipe. Bye!